When things get heavy, you don't need to escape your life. You just need to find your place that brings you back to yourself, where silence feels like medicine, and nature remembers who you are even when you forget. A still lake, a morning breath, the sound of nothing, but saying everything. This is not a break from the world. This is a return to it. You are allowed to rest, to heal, to begin again.
There's a rhythm and rush these days, where the lights don't move and the colors don't fade. Leaves you